Blow drying basics, mastering the art of hair styling. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's English language learning video. Today, we'll be diving into the phrase, blow drying. This is a common term in everyday English, especially in conversations about hair care and styling. Let's explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand and use this phrase confidently. Blow drying refers to the process of drying your hair using a handheld device called a hair dryer or blow dryer. This device blows warm air onto wet hair, which speeds up the water evaporation process and dries the hair. Blow drying is not just about drying the hair, it's often used for styling as well. People use various techniques and tools, like brushes, to shape their hair while blow drying. In this section, let's break down the steps of blow drying. 1. Wash your hair. Start with clean, wet hair. 2. Pre-dry your hair. Use a towel to gently remove excess water. 3. Apply heat protectant. This step is crucial to protect your hair from heat damage. 4. Section your hair. Divide your hair into sections for easier drying. 5. Start drying. Use the dryer on each section, moving from roots to tips. 6. Styling. Use a brush to style your hair as you dry it. Use the right temperature. Too hot can damage your hair, and too cold won't be as effective. Keep the dryer moving. Don't focus on one spot for too long. Use attachments. Nozzles and diffusers can help direct the airflow and enhance styling. Finish with a cool shot. Many dryers have a cool setting to help set the style. Drying soaking wet hair. This can take longer and cause heat damage. Holding the dryer too close. This can overheat and damage your hair. Ignoring heat protectant. Skipping this can lead to brittle and damaged hair. I hope this video has been helpful in understanding the term, blow drying. Remember, it's not just about drying your hair. It's a technique for both drying and styling. Practice these tips and techniques to master the art of blow drying. Thank you for watching, and see you in our next English language learning video.